Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. It has been a whirlwind in our household for the last 8 weeks with our new puppy, Whiskey.
Oh,
He is a handful. He is 4 months old now, and he is happy, healthy, loving, and playful. And look how big he's getting. He's almost got potty training mastered. He's also been to puppy training school and has all his shots. You want to go play? Come on, let's go.
bye, Pumpkin. Now, believe it or not, this is our first dog that we've ever owned. And most of you know that we did have a cat for the last 15 years. Her name was Bullet. And sadly, we had to put her down in October 2025. We were not planning on getting another pet, but then soon found out how empty our household felt without one. So we were like, let's try a puppy and see what this is all about. Well, it's definitely more exhausting and expensive than having a cat. Cats are very independent. They're just like, clean my litter box, leave me some food and water, and leave me alone. If I need you, I will summons you. Dogs, they are needy, getting into mischief and in your face every second that they're awake, but we love it. So, with that said, we are now putting together an emergency pet kit for Whiskey. We didn't have one for our cat since she was an indoor cat, but we always had a go bag ready for her in case we ever had to evacuate the house for any reason, and always had extra food stocked up for her. Since Whiskey will be going on little adventures with us, like camping and hiking, or even just running and playing around, injuries and bee stings can happen. And just a quick story to share just how important it is to be prepared for unexpected injuries. About 3 years ago, my mom and I went on a walk with her dog. She's a little 4-pound Yorkie named Willow. And we were almost home, like literally 5 houses away. And this dog, who was leashed with one of those strong wire leashes, and the leash was connected to their porch, ran out and broke the leash. And next thing we know, my mom's dog yelps out in pain. The dog had bit right through Willow's leg and then bit through my mom's toenail. It happened so fast. The owner came out, grabbed her dog. I scooped Willow up, and her leg was literally hanging on by a thread, and she was bleeding. I applied pressure to the bleeding site using my shirt, made sure that my mom was okay to walk the rest of the way home by herself so I could just run Willow to the house. As soon as I got to the house, I yelled out to my dad to grab a lot of gauze and call the vet and let them know that we're on their way. I got the bleeding to stop. My mom got home and we drove to the vet. Long story short, Willow had her back leg removed. But let me tell you, she recovered and bounced back really well. And I think she walks and runs faster with 3 legs than she did with 4. So, with that said, these are some of the items we are going to carry with us for short day trips or weekend trips. So, in case an injury does occur, we can give Whiskey initial treatment and call the vet office to see if any further treatment should be done. First, I know you can buy pet emergency kits at the store or off of Amazon, but I prefer to put my own together for the simple fact that if you buy a cheap kit, you're going to get cheap products inside. If you buy a really expensive kit, yes, the products might be better, but I feel like you are paying way more than you should, primarily because of the medical bag it comes with. Usually it's decorated with a little paw print on it that says ouch pouch or something like that. And yes, it's cute, but I want good products and could care less about the bag. So I got this bag here at Walmart for $5. And here are the products we filled it with. These products came from our own prep supply that we already had on hand. So I'm going to empty the bag and then show you what's in it. So first up, I have an assortment of different size gauze. Then I also have a styptic pencil to stop bleeding for like minor little scrapes and cuts. And then I have Stop the Bleed for major injuries. I have an instant ice pack, emergency drinking water that you can also use to maybe flush out something that got in their eye or flush out a wound, along with a syringe. We got some sting relief pads and alcohol prep pads, an assortment of Band-Aids, some scissors, along with some Ace Bandage wrap that self-sticks. These are little compressed toilet paper wipes, so they actually fold out to a paper towel size when you wet it, just to wipe any, the wounds clean. We also got some tweezers and then some Benadryl capsules along with the pill feeder syringe. So you would just put one of these pills in here, and then that way you can get them to swallow the pill faster in case of a bee sting and they start swelling up. And then in here we have just a little emergency blankets. And then I have some triple antibiotic ointment, some gloves, some Q-tips, and a tourniquet. I also do have a tick removal kit, but that's actually mixed in with our camping gear that I haven't gotten out yet, but I'm also going to add that into the bag. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If I'm missing anything, drop a comment below and let us know what you carry in your emergency pet kit. It's great to be prepared for yourself and your family, but let's not forget our fur babies. Accidents happen and they can get hurt too. So prepare with purpose, have extra pet food on hand, and have a dedicated emergency medical kit specific to the pet that you have so you can treat them immediately while you're on your way to the vet's office if necessary. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.